Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Cloud Solutions Academy. I'm Naveen Barani. So this week we'll continue our AI chatbot implementation videos. This week we'll talk about an important topic: will chatbots replace human agents? To answer this question, let's understand what functionality chatbots currently provide. So current chatbot implementation do well for handling fixed set of dialogues with the user, carry out repetitive tasks and certain initial aspects of customer service tasks. Wherever there is a fixed set of process and flows to automate, chatbot can be used to provide 24/7 support for any queries. If human expertise is used for answering basic set of questions where answers are readily available, it will eventually be replaced. But in real life scenarios, most of the conversation usually doesn't follow a fixed flow paradigm. But if the conversation moves from basic questions to questions which need further analysis, or the topic of conversation gets changed, you need a sophisticated chatbot implementation to take care of various conversation flows, identify the context switch, identify intents, which your chatbot may or may not be aware of, and create queries to find the information from your knowledge sources. With this approach, you're now moving from fixed set of flows to more dynamic flows which needs to be interpreted by your chatbot implementation. Now, building such complex chatbot implementation requires sophisticated domain-specific adaptation using machine learning techniques and custom solutions. Current out-of-the-box chatbot services usually fall short of building such complex chatbot implementation. And assume if you have all the data in the world at your disposal and infinite processing and computation power. Using the current generation technology and research, you can never build a system that can compete with the expert human in the field. Let's take a 5-year horizon from now. I don't think we can develop such level of intelligent chatbots. For instance, can chatbots or assistant help doctors to recommend cancer treatments accurately and consistently? The answer is no. The information provided from chatbot can aid doctors to take a clue from the answers provided. It may be right or wrong. You can never certify this. A chatbot would always act as an assistant to an expert person to get some job done. Ultimately, these systems are throwing a bunch of answers based on some probabilities. The answers are limited to what you have fed and trained the system. You can't infer new knowledge on the fly or can correlate information like a human expert to come to any conclusion. In future, humans and AI systems would work in collaboration to deliver solutions, but critical decision making would always be in the hands of humans. While there are research going on to use deep neural nets for conversation flows, we are still quite far away of building a truly conversation interface which understands the nitty-gritty of language and the domain. Also, the answers provided needs to be explainable, and unless you have a way to backtrack on why a particular answer was provided, such deep neural systems can't be used for use cases which requires auditability and explainability. So in short, enjoy the smart chatbots that gives you a perception of being intelligent, but in my view, intelligence is a long way away. Hope you got some perspective on this important topic. In the next week's video, I'll talk about can AI generate dynamic responses to questions. Till then, have a great week and thank you for watching.